You know what? This is surprisingly fun. They cheated. He's got a really shocked look on his face. Hello, just Jax here, and welcome to my channel. Today, Play Mais, which seems to be from Germany. I saw this in Home Bargains, which has been a running intro to a few of these videos lately. It's one of the main stores I have a peek in. They have a fairly decent toy/creative section. So yeah, saw this 99p and thought, oh, let's have a look. The magic of Play Mais. Now it says to get a square of something. I've gone for kitchen roll. Wet it, wring it out. Oh, I need a knife. Because you need a knife to cut your mace bits. You're meant to pinch them, dip them on there to make them a little bit wet, and then stick them together. And an hour later, it should be set. We now have a knife. So let's have a look, see what we're working with here. Yep, okay, that's not too bad. Oh, they're little dinky bits. So was it, they're like packaging peanuts. Let's get them out. Because we're meant to be able to make, a lion out of this. I don't know how big. I don't know. I'm guessing you have to use them all. I don't know. Because there's not a whole heap of orange on him. And there's loads of different ones. We've got a classic lion. There's a giraffe, a princess, a dinosaur, a cow, and a construction machine. Creative, learning, CO2 neutral, 100% from nature. If I can make a lion, I'll consider that a success. The felt is literally for the ears. So we need 3 bits, and we've got to curve them around. Okay, so wet and stick. And then wet and stick. This is gonna be quite fun to see if it actually comes out. Now we want a piece of this cut for the nose. Butter knife does a good enough job. And we've got to pinch it to make a nose shape. And stick that on there. Got a big nose. Now, there is no other colour of felt, so I'm guessing we have to flatten one of these. And get 2 circles out of it. Now, it doesn't say to use the knife there, but it says to cut 2 eyes out, so scissors. Alright, well, I'm going to use this as a guide. I might need them to be bigger than that. Let's try again. 2 eyes. And they can go on there and there. Cut one of those in half. And then half again. Get a piece of this. Fold it in half. And then we've got his 2 little ear shapes. You know what? This is surprisingly fun. Oh, I quite like this already. I mean, I haven't got a success or a failure yet, but look at this little guy. How could we not like him? And they are sticking together. See, there it's saying to just cut it in half. So we're going to do that. And he's got more than 4, so I'm going to have to... Oh, and he's also got one of these down the back here for his neck. Like that. I'm going to stick that on there now. Well, I don't know if it's his neck or not. I think it's to help with his mane. So we'll cut some of these in half. I mean, we definitely got to start with one in there, because I can see that from the picture on the box. We'll do what we know we can right now. Oh, I quite like him. We'll try and do it all like they're suggesting. I've sort of smushed his ears up a little bit, but that's okay. It says to do one for the tail, so do I like roll one? His tail, it says cut it in half and pinch. We have a tail. We need 6 of these for the body and then 4 for legs. Okay. Body. He's coming together. Tail. Their head, I'm going to put some around his body as well, because their head seems to be like they have a better mane than we do. I'll stick his head on and then I'll put some more mane. Oh, this is fun. I'm going to give him a bit more mane. Oh my goodness. I like this. I'm going to leave him because it said, was it an hour? It says somewhere. I'm going to leave it an hour to dry. But you know what? It's not too bad. I think I might be a little bit heavy-handed with mine because theirs is a bit more like puffed up. Like it does look like someone has legit, and they've used. Oh, look at that! They've cheated. They've used 3 segments for the body and 2 for the legs. As you can see, 1, 2, at least 2, maybe 2.5. They cheated. All right, we'll give that an hour to dry. I might see if I can make one based off the picture on the front there, where they've obviously used more, because there's 1 for the nose, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 for the face. We'll see. Okay, the play maze is dry. His first attempt following the instructions, and I penned in a little detail on his face there. Now, he's got a bit of a tatty mane on him, but I'm thinking this is going to be a young one. And then I tried to do a second one using what I could see on the box, and he's got a bald spot. He's a little bit better, but his face is also a lot more shrunk up. Like, I don't know if we can see his eyes, they're hidden right in there somewhere. His ears are about as big as his face, and his nose has sunk right in. So I didn't quite get with either of the attempts. 1 on the box, didn't quite get him. He doesn't seem, perhaps I got a little heavy-handed with the water on my one. 1 using the instructions. He's got a really shocked look on his face. Really shocked look. And then, because I had so much orange and brown left, I made them a friend. This is the little friend who's coming with a hunk of meat to feed the lion. Now, I tried to make it so she'd stand, but she doesn't. She falls down. So, they're my attempts. They're not bad. They're not like the box. But you know what? For 99p, this was really fun. I enjoyed this. This was fun to play with. And if I see them again, or even I'll just look for a big bag of play maize, or coloured maize, or whatever I'll find this called online, just to play with, to see what we can create. I do highly recommend this. I don't think it's messy. The stuff gets really, really sticky and you don't need a lot of water because it soaks it up really quick. Like, that's how she ended up with a hole in her hair, because I tried to put a little band in there so she got a bit of a ponytail. But as you can see, it just disappeared completely. Oh, there's a little hint of it right there. That was a half a piece of orange. And that's all that's left of it. So, yeah, 99p. If you see this, it is fun. I don't think it's going to be an issue cleaning up because it breaks down so easily. I mean, I didn't mush a bit in a carpet to find out. But, you know, if you're working up a tabletop with a load of kiddies, this stuff's fun. You'll have fun. The kids will have fun. It's perhaps one of the cleaner things to play with. Let me know what you think. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you found this fun, interesting, enjoyable. Maybe something to try yourself. Definitely something to try with kids. Like if you like what you see, comment if you got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care. And see you in the next one.